In life, we have got to make friends. In the business world, we cannot do it alone, and so we need people around us for input, ideas, and advice. This means we've got to win some friends on our side. The book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie, remains one of the most popular books on interpersonal relations and communication. Here are some of the key lessons from the book, distilled into several core principles. 1. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Carnegie argues that criticizing others only leads to them justifying themselves and harboring resentment. Instead, understanding and forgiving others' faults can foster positive relationships. 2. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Genuine appreciation, not flattery, is key to winning friends. Appreciation has to come from a place of sincerity and recognizing the good in others.
3. Arouse in the other person an eager want.
To influence people, one must talk about what they want and show them how to get it. This means understanding others' desires and how your proposals or requests align with those desires. 4. Become genuinely interested in other people. People are interested in those who are interested in them. By genuinely caring about others, you can create lasting relationships. Before we continue, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more content like this. Let's proceed to number 5. 5. Smile. A simple smile can go a long way in making others feel comfortable around you. 6. Remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest sound in any language. Using someone's name is a powerful way to make them feel valued and important. 7. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. People enjoy talking about themselves. If you listen with genuine interest, you'll learn more about them and win their favor. 8. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. By discussing what matters to the other person, you can capture their attention and show that you value their interests. 9. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Everyone wants to feel important. If you can make people feel respected and valued, they are more likely to have a positive opinion of you. 10. Handle disagreements tactfully. Instead of directly disagreeing, Carnegie suggests acknowledging the other person's viewpoints and finding common ground before presenting your own arguments. 11. Admit when you are wrong. Quickly admitting your mistakes can disarm critics and demonstrate your humility and willingness to learn. 12. Praise every improvement. No matter how small, acknowledging and praising progress encourages continued effort and growth. 13. Use encouragement instead of criticism. People can change, but criticism might only solidify resistance. Encouragement and pointing out even small improvements can motivate people to improve. These principles are not just techniques of manipulation. Rather, they are ways to genuinely improve interpersonal relations and become more empathetic and understanding towards others. The book emphasizes the importance of seeing things from others' perspectives, fostering positive relationships through genuine interaction. Obviously, you've learned something from this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.